Crash Course, Industry 4.0, AI, Digital Twin, Metaverse, and Digital Technologies. CMPT 641 Week Number 2 in Class Video by Bard AI. Industry 4.0. Industry 4.0 refers to the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by the integration of digital technologies and automation into traditional manufacturing and industrial processes. It represents a paradigm shift in the way industries operate, leveraging technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, big data analytics, and cloud computing to create smart, connected systems. Digital transformation. Digital transformation involves the adoption of digital technologies and processes to fundamentally change the way businesses operate, deliver value, and interact with customers. It encompasses the integration of digital tools and technologies into various aspects of an organization, including operations, customer experience, supply chain management, and business models. Digital twin, metaverse. A digital twin is a virtual replica or representation of a physical entity, such as a product, process, or system. It is created by combining real-time data from sensors, IoT devices, and other sources with advanced modeling and simulation techniques. The digital twin serves as a virtual counterpart that can be used for analysis, optimization, and decision-making, allowing organizations to gain insights, improve performance, and reduce costs. Digital twin-based MIS design. Digital twin-based management information system, MIS, design involves integrating digital twin technology with data analytics and visualization tools to enable real-time monitoring, analysis, and management of physical systems. By connecting the physical and digital worlds, organizations can make data-driven decisions, predict outcomes, and optimize operations. Digital twin technologies. Several tools and technologies facilitate the creation and utilization of digital twins. These include 1. IoT sensors collect data from physical assets and systems, providing real-time information on performance, conditions, and usage. 2. Simulation and modeling use advanced software tools to create virtual representations of physical entities, simulating their behavior, interactions, and responses. 3. Data analytics employ algorithms and machine learning techniques to process and analyze vast amounts of data collected from digital twins, enabling insights and predictive capabilities. 4. Visualization and augmented reality, AR, utilize interactive and immersive visualization techniques to present digital twin data in a user-friendly and intuitive manner, facilitating understanding and decision-making. Digital twin building tools, examples. 1. Unreal Engine 5, UE5. UE5 is a powerful game development platform that offers advanced graphics capabilities and real-time rendering. It provides a robust environment for building immersive digital twin experiences with high-fidelity visuals and interactive elements. 2. Unity. Unity is another popular game engine widely used for creating digital twins. It offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools and features for designing and developing interactive 3D environments. Unity allows students to create realistic simulations and visualizations for their digital twin projects. 3. AWS Digital Twin, OSDT. Oz Digital Twin is a cloud-based platform that enables the creation and management of digital twins. It provides tools and services for modeling physical assets, capturing real-time data, and analyzing the performance of these assets. OSDT offers scalability and integration capabilities, making it suitable for large-scale digital twin projects. 4. Amazon IoT. Amazon IoT is an Internet of Things, IoT, platform that can be used in conjunction with digital twins. It allows students to connect and manage IoT devices, gather sensor data, and integrate it with their digital twin models. Amazon IoT provides secure and scalable solutions for real-time data collection and analysis. 5. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, like the one you're interacting with right now, is an AI-powered language model that can be used to enhance the interactivity and intelligence of digital twins. Students can integrate ChatGPT or similar conversational AI models to create virtual assistants or chatbots within their digital twin environments, enabling natural language interactions. 6. Bard, building augmented reality in data. Bard is an open-source platform that combines digital twin technology with augmented reality, AR. It allows students to overlay digital twin models onto real-world environments using AR devices, enhancing visualization and interaction with the virtual elements. These tools provide students with exciting possibilities for creating immersive and interactive digital twin experiences. They can experiment with realistic graphics, IoT integration, AI-powered interactions, and AR overlays to bring their digital twin projects to life and explore the potential of these technologies in various industries. Interesting examples. 1. Automotive industry. Car manufacturers use digital twins to simulate and optimize production processes, test new designs, and monitor vehicle performance in real time. This enables predictive maintenance, reduces downtime, and enhances product quality. 2. Smart cities. Digital twins are employed to model and manage various aspects of urban environments, such as traffic flow, energy consumption, and public services. This helps city planners make informed decisions, improve efficiency, and enhance sustainability. 3. Healthcare. Digital twins of patients can be created to monitor vital signs, track disease progression, and predict treatment outcomes. This enables personalized medicine, remote patient monitoring, and more effective healthcare delivery. Summary. Industry 4.0 represents the integration of digital technologies and automation into traditional industries, enabling smart, connected systems. Digital transformation involves the adoption of digital tools and processes to revolutionize business operations. Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical entities that facilitate analysis, optimization, and decision-making. By leveraging digital twin-based MIS design and utilizing tools like IoT sensors, simulation, data analytics, and visualization, organizations can unlock new levels of efficiency, innovation, and performance in diverse sectors, ranging from manufacturing and automotive to healthcare and smart cities. Poem to help you to remember key points. In a realm where technology thrives and gleams. A tapestry of innovation, weaving dreams. Let's embark on a poetic quest. Exploring Industry 4.0's zest. Industry 4.0, a revolution profound. Digital landscapes where new possibilities abound. Connected systems, automations embrace. Where data and intelligence find their place. Artificial intelligence, a brilliant mind's creation. Unleashing potential with every iteration. Machine learning and algorithms at play. Transforming industries in an extraordinary way. Digital twin, a mystical twin of the real. A virtual replica, with insights to reveal. Metaverse marvels, where realities blend. Exploring dimensions that seem to transcend. Unreal Engine and Unity, creative realms unfold. Breathing life into digital twin stories untold. With graphics refined and interactive grace. Students shape worlds, leaving a lasting trace. Oz DT and Amazon IoT, the clouds embrace. Enabling digital twins, leaving no space. Models and data, securely stored and shared. Driving efficiency, innovation declared. ChatGPT, a language marvel, wise and keen. Interacting with digital twins, a virtual scene. Conversational AI, bridging the gap. Guiding users through this digital map. Bard, the fusion of digital twin and AR. An enchanting mix, taking us far. Overlaying reality with a digital touch. Immersing us in a world that means so much. Digital technologies, the tools we wield. Unlocking potential, like a vibrant field. From data analytics to virtual design. They shape the future, oh, so fine. In this poetic journey, we've glimpsed the core of Industry 4.0's captivating lore. AI, digital twin, and digital tools unite, guiding us toward a future shining bright. So let our minds soar and innovation unfurl, as we embrace this digital world. In Industry 4.0, Zero's realm, will surely find a future where possibilities intertwine. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.